Hi friends, welcome to my X journey. So today I'm doing another Chanel unboxing, and this is actually the quickest offer that I ever got from Chanel, and it's actually a gift. So I think they run out of the holiday ribbon, so this is like their classic white ribbon. So this is a super rare item, and I actually requested in the morning and I got a text in the afternoon and said I scored it. I'm like, really? Isn't it supposed to be the hardest, rarest item from Chanel? Like at least for the 22C? So I don't know. I mean, after I unbox it, you guys tell me. So here's the box, and I can tell you guys this is not in the original box. They actually ran out the original box for this piece. So yeah, what do you guys think the rarest item in a 22C? So please comment below and let me know. Or maybe it's another item, maybe not this one. Okay, anyway, so without further ado, let's open this. So this is a square box. And you open it and there's a sticker. Because like I said, this is a gift, so before I gift it, I decided to show you guys beforehand. So I'm actually going to be very careful with all the tissue papers and stuff. Oh, they actually didn't really do too much, because I guess this is not, does it do too much? This is not like the box. Okay, obviously this is a Chanel dust bag, but it's not in microfiber, so you know it's not the classic. But it is a mini bag, and you guys know how much I love mini bags now. So anyways, have you guys guessed what it is? Did you guys guess it right? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So this is the mini square in denim. Yeah, so there's a pocket at the back, and there's a chain on top, and this is with a pearl crush actually. So let me see if I can slide it, because I want to make sure everything's in place perfectly. Okay, so let me open this chain for you guys, because it's a pearl crush, so you can adjust it. Oh wow, this is really, really nice. Actually the chain is smaller. It's not as big in comparison to my mini rectangular or my mother-in-law's mini square. Is actually different size. But the mini square size-wise, like in denim, it's the same size as the mini square. And then look at this pearl crush. Is actually really nice. You can actually press it, and that's how you adjust the length of the bag. It's actually really cool. And then you can see at the back, this is how it looks like. I like the front. It has the Chanel logo. Okay, so let me put it back a little more. Okay, so let me open it and show you guys. This denim material actually feels pretty good. It's not as rough actually. Oh, there's other tissue paper. Stuff. So this piece is actually made in Italy. And then here's the microchip. Let me show you guys the zipper here. Actually, it's better than I thought. So I'm just gonna put this back. Okay, this is the brass gold. So I think this is in the brass gold, and you know what? For the first time, I actually do like it. It actually matched with the denim really well. It's very subtle. I don't know, like it matched with the denim, but I didn't like it to match with the lambskin black or the caviar black. But anyways, So the strap is actually in leather, and the price for this piece is $4,300 in US. And yeah, so what do you guys think? Is this like the hottest item? So let me tell you guys a little bit of story on how I scored this bag. I mean, I said it a little bit earlier. I requested around 10 a.m. in the morning, and I got a text around 3 p.m. and said, you know, the bag is here. I'm like, wait, what? It's on the same day that I requested. You just said, you know, reserving it. And as I arrived, you know, my SA, you know, showed me the bag right away. And I told her how, like, this is actually, it's a gift. So I asked her, you know, the return policy just in case. Just in case if, you know, my friend doesn't like it, then, you know. So I told her it's a gift. So I asked her about the return policies just because in case it doesn't work out, then, you know, what should I do with the bag? Because I wasn't really thinking about keeping it. And the SA next to her said, no, there's no way she's going to refuse it because this is the hottest, rarest bag that you ever get this season. It's everyone wants this bag, so there's no way she doesn't like it. And I was like, really? I actually didn't know. I mean, I search around. I mean, I know I've seen a lot of YouTubers or a lot of people do request this, and it's very hard to get in the West Coast perhaps. But I don't know. I mean, I just had to ask for my information, right? Because it's a gift. And I just learned that, oh, there's a 14 days return policy. And because of the holiday, they might give you one more day leniency. So I was like, okay. I mean, I do hope it worked out. But before I gifted, I decided to show you guys kind of how I scored it. I think I'm just lucky, maybe. It just so happened they have it. So I mean, I did ask my SA, I'm like, did you guys just receive shipment today again? And then she said, no, I just got a phone notification. And I was like, a notification on your phone? So my husband and I kind of make assumptions like how they do things in Chanel. I feel like it's probably the store managers get to look at the inventory every day, and they're the one who decide what can be released. And I think if your SA wants to offer you things, they have to put you on reserve so the store manager can see what's available and what items are being reserved the customers want. So then they will see like, oh, which day and what, like when to release a certain items and to certain SA. And my SA, who has 25 years experience, I think she knows all the tricks, but of course she's not going to review it to me, right? So that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos. It's nice and short. There's nothing long. Though this is a really surprise piece that I didn't expect to come like this soon. If you guys do enjoy today's Chanel unboxing videos, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel talks about a lot of things, not only Chanel. I do talk about Hermes a lot. And I do share about how I score my coat bags and my Hermes journeys, and also shopping strategies and some shopping vlogs. So if you guys are interested in any of the topics, please consider subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And also feel free to put comment below and let me know what kind of topic you want me to talk about. I will definitely put it in my to-do list. 2022, it's going to be crazy for me. I might not be able to release videos every so often. However, I will try my best. I will put everything on my to-do list and I will make sure I can check them all off throughout the year. So as always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye.